Hello friends, welcome to Node.js tutorial. My name is Jagdish. Today in this video we will write first script program of Node.js. There are two ways of write Node.js script program. First, we can also write program in command line interface. Open CMD and simply write here node and press enter. After that I am write here console.log hello. Hello is printed successfully, and here undefined means this statement does not return value. That's why here undefined is printed. Another way is open Visual Studio Code and create one folder. After that open that folder and create one file inside that folder. I am create here index.js file. Open that file and here I am write console.log and in that I am print hello world. Open terminal and execute this file. Write node and name of file is index.js and press enter. Here hello world successfully printed. I am here write one variable where a equals to 100, where b equals to 500. After that here I am write console.log a plus b. Save and run this file. Here 600 is successfully created. A plus B. In this way we can write program in Node.js. Like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for